Good afternoon, beautiful people. What's going on? So welcome to a new vlog. So it is Friday, February 14th of 2025. So happy love day, happy Valentine's Day to all who celebrate. If you don't celebrate, I'm still gonna tell you happy Valentine's Day, okay? So I can recall 1 year ago from today, I spent Valentine's Day alone, y'all. And if y'all know me, or if you have been keeping up with my channel, I don't mind being alone. I do solo trips, I go on solo dates. I don't mind. But anyways, it's gonna technically be something like that. Hold on, I think my phone is vibrating. It's gonna technically be something like that where I'm spending Valentine's Day alone ish. So I'm gonna have Valentine's Day dinner at home alone, and then in the nighttime, you know, we're gonna head outside, baby. We're going to a party. So technically it's somewhat like last year, 2024, but with a twist this year for 2025. So of course last year I'll just pin the video. So last year I did pasta, I think shrimp pasta, and I watched the movie and just relaxed for the rest of the night. This year it's gonna be that. I'm thinking pasta. I love pasta all day. But I'm still, yeah, so pasta or Chinese food. We're gonna decide, but I'm gearing more towards the pasta. I love me some shrimp pasta, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So shrimp pasta we're gonna cook tonight. Find us a nice little Netflix love show, and yeah, then we're gonna go party tonight. So that's what's gonna happen. I'm on the road right now, actually running some errands. So yeah, I'm gonna do the shrimp. I just decided, it's confirmed that I'm gonna do the shrimp. So I need to head to the supermarket to get goods for that, stuff for that. And yeah, I need to grab me some lunch too. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat for lunch, because it's moving on to like 2 o'clock and I haven't had anything for morning. And I may have a delivery for today. I'm just waiting for the person to respond. If I do have a delivery, that means I'm gonna have to go home, because I just did not bring anything, because the person, you know, they're taking a while to respond to my messages, and I just had to leave my house. Even though I could have brought the stuff in my car, because I have a personal car, so I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, I want to know what your guys' plan are for today. I know this video will be posted after the fact, so in the comments please let me know what you did for Love Day, if you even celebrated. Did you do anything for your partner? Did the partner do anything for you? Did you go on a babecation? Like, did you go out for dinner? Please let me know, y'all, so I can live through you guys. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna head to the supermarket now, because I basically finished those personal errands. So supermarket, grab some lunch, and then yeah, I'm gonna need to head home. Still working for today. I'm actually also coming from the printer place. Hold on, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm just coming from the printer place. I printed some of these for my containers. So we're gonna head out to the supermarket right now. Alright guys, so I'm home. I already packed out the groceries and everything. I definitely have the person responded for the delivery, so I'm going to do the delivery shortly. I'm just cutting these labels so I can add them to the container. The person requested a Valentine's Day collection with a specific scent, so they're gonna purchase the lavender sage and this. You know, I added the hearts in it just now because it's, like I said, Valentine's. So this is just a little special for the Valentine's that I'm doing. The hearts are kind of messed up right now. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, for some reason it got messed up, but it looks okay. I don't like it, looks so untidy. But that's because based on the wax that I'm using for these hearts, it's the same wax for the container, so it will, once you touch it at all, it's definitely gonna like leave fingerprint and, you know, stuff like that, because it's not the proper wax for the hearts. Anyways, I'm gonna hurry up and sort out this delivery because there is so much traffic on the road, y'all. Like, it's like a double whammy. Regular Friday day traffic, plus it's Valentine's Day. The traffic was so annoying. So I'm just gonna get this thing sorted out ASAP. It's 3:40, so I need to hurry up and head out and be home before 5:30, and just extra craziness that's going on. So once I come home back, just shower, cook, eat, and yeah, dinner and a movie. That is the vibe for today. That is the vibe for today. I'm definitely going to try to put this video out on Saturday, which is tomorrow. You know, see if I can, because initially, guys, I know for probably like a month or two straight, I was like delivering 2 videos per week, and then I kind of like fall off the edge with that. So I need to start working on that again. Definitely need to start working on my content to put out at least 2 videos per week. All right, I'm gonna get this delivery box together and head out of here. Just dropped off a delivery. Thank you so much for your support. He may or may not see this video, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just head home. I'm heading home actually to just finish up some work, and then after that we're gonna prepare for a Valentine's. I can't wait to just have some shrimp pasta. Ooh, can't wait.
Turn left onto Sunrise Drive, then you will arrive at your destination.
Oh wow, not since 2025. Oh my god, that's so crazy. I never had anything January. I never had any pasta January. Wow, I'm really trying to eat healthy, eh? Anyways, I'm driving, and y'all know this thing go, it may shake. There's a lot of potholes on my road. So dinner is done. Ugh, it's looking so lovely. I forgot to buy cheese today, so there's no cheese on it at all, just the sauce. And I just add some onions to it because it's the only season that I have. I don't know what I was thinking today when I was in the supermarket, but anyway, it's still gonna taste good because the sauce itself is so good. So yeah, we're gonna find a movie to watch right now. I'm thinking Sweet Mangolas. I had no idea that the new season 4 started this week. I think it's this week or no, I think it's last week the new season started. I was so shocked when I saw it on Netflix last night. I was like, what? So I started to watch 2 episodes. So I think I'm gonna do that. I think I want to catch up because Homeboy died. I'm not gonna say. If you watch Sweet Mangolas on Netflix, you will know. If you don't know yet, the new season is out, season 4. So go ahead and watch that. I can't believe Homeboy died too. Like, he just did out of the show. But I mean, he did leave town, so I guess they wanted to just like kill his character. But yeah, that's crazy. So we're gonna watch Sweet Mangolas tonight. And honestly, guys, winding down right now. I don't think I want to leave my house. I don't want to leave my house, but I'm gonna reach out to my cousin and hear what she said. But I'm really not feeling the vibe to leave my house anymore. But anyways, it's time to have some dinner because yeah, let's go eat.
Things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know it's on your mind. You think I'm doing wrong, and I say what is real. You're the only one that drives me.
Today's lesson is about entitlement.
Need you all in my space, but need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can't check in with you. I'd put a string of pearls right in your hand. Make love on the beach of jet black sand. Outside in the rain, we can do it all night. I'll touch all the places he would not.